Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share some essential car maintenance hacks that every driver needs to know. Trust me, these tips will keep your car running smoothly and save you money in the long run. First up, let's talk about oil changes. Your car's oil is its lifeblood, and regular changes are crucial. Make sure you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or follow your car manufacturer's recommendations. And don't forget to replace the oil filter too. Next, let's move on to tires. Always check your tire pressure at least once a month. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel efficiency and increase wear and tear. Also, remember to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. This will extend their lifespan and improve your car's handling. Now let's talk about filters. Your car has multiple filters that need regular attention. The air filter, for example, should be checked every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. A dirty air filter can reduce your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Also, don't forget the cabin air filter. It's what keeps the air inside your car clean. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car in top shape. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Alright, drive safe and see you in the next video.